In 1925, three men walked into the Amazon searching for a legendary lost city. One was a famous explorer, another was his own son. Then, on May 29, they sent their final known message. After that, they disappeared. No confirmed remains were ever found. So what really happened to Percy Fawcett and the two men who followed him into the jungle? His name was Percy Harrison Fawcett. He was a British explorer, surveyor, and former military officer who had spent years traveling through parts of South America. His expeditions took him into regions that were still poorly mapped by Europeans at the time. But eventually, his interest in exploration became something much more personal. Fawcett became convinced that somewhere in the Amazon was the remains of an ancient civilization. Fawcett called the mysterious place Zay. His theory was influenced old accounts of a supposed lost city deep inside Brazil. One document that fascinated him was known as Manuscript 512, an 18th century Portuguese account describing ruins said to have been discovered somewhere in the Brazilian interior. The idea became an obsession. Fawcett had already made several expeditions into South America, and he believed his experience had given him clues that others had overlooked. He wasn't simply looking for treasure. He believed he could prove that a sophisticated civilization had once existed deep within the Amazon. In 1925, Fawcett prepared for what would become his final expedition. He chose to bring his 21-year-old son Jack along while Jack's friends Relay Remel. The group traveled to Brazil and eventually reached Cueva. On April 20, they began heading into the interior. These dates and the composition of the expedition are documented in historical accounts. The conditions were brutal. Heat, insects, difficult terrain, and long distances made every mile a challenge. The expedition moved through territory where communication with the outside world was extremely limited. On May 29, 1925, the expedition reached what Fawcett called Dead Horse Camp. The name came from an earlier expedition when Fawcett had been forced to shoot his exhausted horse. Here Fawcett sent his local guides back from this point. He, Jack, and Relay continued deeper into the wilderness. Historical accounts identify May 29 and Dead Horse Camp as the last major documented point before their disappearance. Before the guides left, Fawcett sent his final known communication to his wife, Nina. His message was surprisingly confident. He told her that Jack was well and getting stronger and there was no reason to fear failure. But that would be the last confirmed word from the three men. They disappeared. Weeks became months, then years. No confirmed message came from Fawcett, Jack, or Relay. Rumors began spreading. Some people claimed Fawcett had survived and was living somewhere in the jungle. Others believed the expedition had been attacked. Search parties eventually entered the Amazon looking for answers. The 1928 George Miller Jot search expedition concluded the explorer likely had died but did not recover definitive remains. So what happened to them? Theory number one. One possibility is that the jungle itself killed them through disease, starvation, drowning, or another environmental danger. Theory number two, another possibility is that they encountered people who did not want them entering their territory. Theory number three, and then there is the possibility that Fawcett's obsession simply pushed the expedition too far into dangerous territory. But none of this explanation has been proven beyond doubt. Historical accounts documents multiple theories and later accounts involving the Kalapalo, but the exact fate of the three remains unresolved. But there's an incredible twist to the story. Fawcett may have been wrong about the exact location of his city of Zay. But he wasn't completely wrong about the Amazon. Modern archaeological research has found evidence of large, sophisticated settlements and parts of the Amazon, showing that the rainforest once supported complex societies. In other words, that the idea that sophisticated civilization existed deep in Amazon was not as impossible as many people once believed. What can you say about this topic? Please subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell for more mysterious and true story. Thank you very much, and God bless. Babush.